Spare parts required for replacement of complete inner glove assembly are PVC tape 25mm, rubber gasket, inner glove and cuff ring. Detach the inner gloves by pushing the inner glove and the cuff ring to which the glove is attached into the sleeve. A special tool is available as an option to facilitate easy exchange. Put the new inner glove through the cuff ring and fold it over the bulge of the cuff ring. Make sure that any surplus material of the glove is double folded where the glove is attached and that about 20mm of the glove is covering the outside of the ring. Place the rubber gasket over the glove. Push the rubber gasket towards the bulge of the cuff ring. Fix the glove to the cuff ring using the 25mm PVC tape. Apply the tape so that half of its width covers the glove and the other half is attached to the ring. Wind the tape once and continue to wind on tape, covering the elastic band with one layer of tape, going around the ring a total of 3 times. Replace both inner gloves. Make certain that the thumb of the glove is correctly located in relation to the sleeve. In order to facilitate the fitting of the glove, lubricate the glove assembly using a soap solution before pushing it into the sleeve. Pressure test the suit.